JAYSTEPHER here today with another tutorial on how to make a cool looking water fountain. The first thing I'm going to start off with is to distinguish my base from my fountain. So I'm just going to use a couple of these 1x2 plates and these kind of like 2x2 plates that are, like angle brackets. I'm just going to start off with a 1x2 right here in the middle. And I'm going to grab two more of these 1x2 plates, place them right here. So we have 3. If you got a 1x6 plate that's green, you're lucky, or you can use any color you want down here. And I'm basically just going to come in, place my angle bracket right here, and kind of work my way around. Put a 1x2 here, and one of these angle brackets here. Let's put a couple more of these 1x2s down here at the bottom. You get the idea. Now, I'm going to take I'm just going to take a few of these 1x2 plates. You have a 2x2 plate, so I'm just using light blue for this. Any blue will be fine. I'm going to place these right in the middle, or 2 studs apart. Now I'm going to come in, take some smooth tiles and start smooth tiling this in with light blue tile inside of here. Any size of tile will work. I don't quite have enough tiles, so I'm just going to have to piece it in as best I can, but I have enough light blue. There we go. I'm going to take 4 of these curved elements that are 4x4. Place one along the side. So it looks like that. Just place 4 around here. You can see we got that nice water inside. Looks like water. So it's very seamless. You don't see any blue tiles outside. You see nothing but the blue inside. Now I'm going to take 2 of these 2x2 rounded bricks, stack 2 of these together. This is going to be our stand for a fountain. We're just going to place that in the middle. Take a 4x4 rounded plate, place it on top. Take a 2x2 plate, we'll place it right here in the middle. And a 2x2 bullnose cap. You can either stop here, or I'm just going to go a little farther and I'm going to put some statues on mine. And how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to take a 1x2 plate, or a jumper piece. We'll place it here. And I'm just going to use, it looks like a little frog, but these are gray, and I'm just going to place him right here as a statue. So I'm just going to continue around, put the remaining of my statues in. And there you have it. A cool looking, decorative water fountain. Very easy to make. Takes very few pieces. Thank you for watching.